Hi guys. Okay, so I'm going to explain to you how I want this assignment done by pretty much doing one with you and then the rest is on you. Does that sound fair? Cool. I will also post this lecture or this PowerPoint so you have access and you can go back and forth, but this is just kind of an overview for you. Sorry, my dog walked in the room when I started talking. Okay, so full sentences, clearly. Duh. Okay. For each cartoon, answer the following questions. Identify the title and or the captions. What are they? What do they say? Clearly, that's going to be copy and paste. So it's fine. List the objects in the people and or the people in the cartoon. What objects are the symbols? What do they mean? Which words and phrases are most significant and why? Describe the action and explain the message. What are they trying to convey? Okay, so let's tackle the first two. Identify the title and captions and list the people. Let's go to the first one. Okay, clearly the caption is, the wolf chewed up the children and spit out their bones, but those were foreign children and it really didn't matter. Okay. List the objects or the people in the cartoon. Well, you clearly have a lady who represents America, a little girl, a little boy, an armchair, and a book with a wolf that most likely resembles Adolf Hitler. Adolf the wolf, they're talking about Adolf Hitler. Do you guys see that? America first. Put yourself in the time period of World War II, prior. Okay. What objects and symbols, what do they mean? Well, this lady represents America, thinking there, oh, it's cool. I'm just going to read the book. I'm not that involved. Okay. The book stating what Hitler's doing. The little kids, little minds are like, okay. Which words and phrases are most significant and why do you think that? Okay. It's a why do you think question, but answer it logically. Describe the action taking place. Well, clearly she's reading a book. She's reading about it. Remember, no internet back then. They used the newspapers. Explain the message of the cartoon. What do you think the message is from the caption and the book and the little kids that Adolf Hitler will chew up, spit out, it's a metaphor clearly, destroy foreign children because he thinks they don't matter. Okay? Again, if you have any questions, comments, concerns, office hours are Wednesday from 1 to 2:30 and Fridays 1 to 2:30. Also, if you desperately need me, I'm available on Remind at a normal hour. Okay? Normal hour. All right, guys, good luck and we'll talk soon.